Today I hope to explain you how to replace charger pin of Samsung Galaxy J2 Core Mode. It is very simple. First of all, you can remove battery just like this and also back cover, and after completion of that you can remove each particles, each connections just like this. It is very simple process, but before we doing internal part removing process, it is compulsory to increase some temperature, especially display removal process. You can see display is removing very well after increasing some of temperature. It is very simple process. After completion of that, it is compulsory to remove internal parts just like this. You can remove each nail just like this. You can carefully remove all of nails just like this. It is very simple process, and you can remove circuit parts just like this using smooth printer. Now you can see motherboard is here. You can safely remove motherboard. You can see here motherboard. First of all, you can apply heat tape for the mic area, because sometimes when you soldering, sometimes mic may be damaged due to the huge temperature range. You can apply resin coat. Now you can apply heat using the hot gun. You can apply hot gun heat just like this. After application of hot gun, you can remove it just like this. After completion of that, sometimes impurities should be removed. In this, it is not compulsory. You can apply new charger pin just like this. It is very simple and helpful process. You can see it is very simple. After completion of that, you can view it using microscope. After completion of that, you can remove heat tape just like this. It is essential process. You can carefully remove that. After completion of that, it is compulsory to reset. You can attach it just like this. After completion of that, it is compulsory to application each part just like this. Now you can apply other particles, other circuit particles also. Now you can apply back cover just like this, internal back cover of housing. Now you can insert previously removed nails just like this. It is essential process. Don't miss anyone. One by one you can do it. It is very simple process. Now our basic method is complete. Now you can apply some of glue coat just like this. Now you can attach display just like this. Now you can connect display just like this. You can apply display connection and battery and also back cover. Now you can apply for the charging. I hope to attach insert charger pin, charge input. You can see here it is charging very well. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. We are cordially invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get new updates.